Okay, everyone. Hey, it's Terry Bontemps, and today is day 44. The tenants are out in the front house. They decided to leave, didn't want to pursue the process any further, and so now guess what I get to see? The inside of the property, and it's not the greatest. It's not the worst. I've been in this business a long time. I've had worse than this. Got my crew ready to come in and knock this out so we can start working on the interior. It's a 3-bedroomer, 1 bath, about 1,100 square feet. Good thing of it is not any wall damage, just stuff that they accumulated. Hey, this is the way they live. So give me a chance to see what the inside looks like. Again, we're going to take it and we are getting ready to clean it out. And we got the big dumpster out front. I guess a good 40 cubic yards. And we got the middle house that I showed you guys. It needs to be cleaned out too because there's a bunch of stuff there. And that should do it. So with that being said, walk you back through. Give you that last bedroom. And we'll head out. Show you the dumpster. Yeah, there we go. That's the big boy right there. So, all right. Again, day 44. All that means is this is the 44th day that I've gotten this property. It's not 44 days of straight work. There's been some days we couldn't work, some delays, but again, day 44, and I think we're doing really good.